Hey folks, welcome to the channel.
Hello.
I am using a Moulds and Shapes mould.
A Christmas Moulds and Shapes mould.
Well, see, you say that, but I don't think it is a Christmas one. I think you can use it for Christmas, but I think it can be used all year round.
Okay.
And
you're using a all year round Moulds and Shapes bauble.
Yes. Yes. Well, no, when I saw this, I thought it would be ideal for
Christmas trees.
Christmas trees.
Yeah.
But I thought you could also put things like, well, I'll show you at the end. Anyway, what I thought I'd do for this one is my vision was, my artistic vision was that I have a glitter ribbon.
Shocker.
I know. Well, is it even a video of mine if I haven't got some sparkle in it somewhere?
No, not really.
Exactly.
No.
So this glitter I got from Resin Supplies Dem, and I have to say it is probably one of my favourite all-time ever glitters.
So this was Merry.
This is Merry, and it has got it's got little bits of green and little bits of silver and little bits of like pink. Oh, it's divine. I love it. It is
Christmas colours.
Yes, but see, I don't like pink, but this one has pink in it, and it fills me with Christmas vibe.
Christmas vibe?
Yeah, which
wow.
I kind of had. I had a bit of a Christmassy vibe a couple of weeks ago when I did that Christmas coaster, and then I said to you I'd peaked too early because it kind of it came. I had a couple of mince pies and a stollen, and then it went.
Yeah,
it went whoosh, like gone. And I've not whoosh and gone.
Wow.
I'm not doing it again. But I haven't felt Christmassy since.
No.
We don't even have our tree up yet.
No, we don't.
We haven't got our tree up. We haven't wrapped a present. It's all a bit, meh. Anyway, back to why we're here.
Yeah, good point.
What I wanted on it was a poinsettia. A poinsettia or whatever they're called. The Christmas flower.
Yeah, the red one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wanted to have that kind of effect. And I hemmed and hawed for a little while about how I was going to do it. And as everybody knows, I am not an artist. So I thought, well, I'll draw around one. And I got these Pebeo Cern Relief paints. They are yours, I know.
They are. They're from Jacquard?
No, they're from Pebeo. They say on there, Pebeo.
Oh,
different company, darling.
Okay.
Do keep up.
I'll try, but...
Oh, I tell you, it's hard work. It's hard work. And I hemmed and hawed about what colour to do. And then I decided to go with gold for the little, like, stamens in the middle of the flower.
Yep.
And that went very well, as you can see. However...
Is it downhill from here?
It's pretty much downhill from here. So anyone who wants to skip to the end, feel free. Oh, sorry. No, don't. I mean, but yeah, you're more than welcome to. Because it goes pretty much boobs up from here on. I used the clear one, so it goes on white, but it does actually dry clear.
Yeah.
And I just don't have the finger strength to do this. What I should have done, a smart person, I'd have got you to draw this bit because I really struggled to squeeze the paint out.
You do have to keep the pressure on and the constant pressure as well. And otherwise the lines get thick or thin.
And I really struggled. So then I thought, well, that looks a bit rubbish. So I'm going to draw over it with a white marker pen. And I don't know what I was thinking because in my head, I was thinking, well, you're not going to see this anyway because there's going to be a white background on it. But a coloured background on it. But of course, I'd put a clear layer so that you could see it. Because, but anyway, I digress. You will see what I mean. But I thought, you know what? Sometimes you have a vision of what you want to do.
Yeah.
And it goes just perfectly from start to finish. Everything is a treat.
Yeah.
And sometimes you have a vision of what you want to do. And you struggle to get there. And this, for me, was one of them. But it turns out okay in the end-ish.
I think that looks okay so far.
Yeah, I wasn't... I mean, we're all the biggest critics of our own stuff, aren't we? And I think I think when you first start doing something like resin, you can kind of go, oh, it's okay, I'm new, I don't know what I'm doing. But when you've been doing it for a little while, like we have, because it's been 2 years. 2 years?
Yeah.
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 So it's 2 years. We've been doing it for 2 years now. And once you get to you get to a certain point and then you're like, I've got no excuse. I've got no excuse. I'm just rubbish. And this was that.
Okay.
But anyway, my plan was that I make up this red mica, and I use the Jacquard
red,
rustic red, and a little bit of the pearl white, just because the rustic red is a little bit too rustic, and I wanted it a bit more red. So I just mixed it until I got a colour that I liked, and because of the relief paint, you can just add a little bit of epoxy and it acts like a barrier. So
it dams it. Yeah.
It dams it. So you actually do get this perfect flower.
If you draw it correctly. If
you've drawn correctly. So if you are good at drawing, this is right in your wheelhouse.
Yes. And if there's no gaps.
And if there's no gaps, yeah, of course.
Because I've done that before.
Yeah, I know, but there were no gaps. It was fine in terms of gaps and things, but it was just I struggled to draw it because my hands were having I can't hand today.
Hands were having a day off.
Yeah, my hands were just having a day off, you know. I got up and my hands
wondered why you were colouring in a Lego man. I left this in because I was editing this, and then all of a sudden you're painting a Lego man, and I was like, what the hell's that? So I thought I'd leave that in just so that I could actually ask you, because I actually did forget that you did that.
I was just playing. I wasn't doing anything. I was just having life is going wrong today kind of thing.
So you thought that
I'd just paint the Lego man.
You just butcher a Lego man.
Yeah, I felt better after it. Yeah. Lego man cruelty. Anyway, it's not a Lego man, copyright. It is actually a robotic man.
Oh, okay.
So once that had all dried, so this is day 3, I mixed up this is the basic red by Just Resin. And if ever there was a more Christmassy red,
it's a nice red, even though it's like a plain red.
Yeah, but I've not seen it. I love that colour red. I should be doing something else in that red. In fact, Valentine's, expect an awful lot of Valentine's stuff in that red. That's for sure. Oh, yeah. Just while it says on screen, thank you very much to all of our Glitterati members.
Yeah.
You're all legend.
Thank you very much.
You get your own special individual little creepy thank you. So I added the red on, and then I used the silicone tool just to sort of sweep it up to the back of the glitter. Put
it in the bow bit.
Yeah, because the day I was having, I thought I'm not risking pouring it because it will just go everywhere. Like you will see. Or actually, no, I might have done all right here. I can't remember. Been a while.
It has been a while.
Yeah. But yeah, so I thought I ummed and ahed about the red and the green. So I thought, well, I'll just do one of each.
Yeah.
And this is the emerald, which is a luster colour from Just Resin. Beautiful colour, absolutely stunning, and I love them both, and they're so Christmassy.
Yes indeed.
I do like them. So then I just gave them a little spritz and left them to dry, and here we are for the demould.
Ooh.
Now my expectations were fairly low at this point because of the disappointing artwork that I had done. So I was like, okay, let's see. Let's see how it goes. And you've seen it. What were your thoughts when you saw it?
That's all right.
You say that about everything. It's all right. It's all right.
No, I like them.
You honestly.
See, I like that.
See, I just think it's rubbish.
I think that looks really good.
I was sat there and I was like, oh.
I like that one because the leaf at the top, it looks like it's got a bit of a shadow, even though you can't see it there because, you keep it.
I was getting rid of the little bits of overpour.
But I like that. I think that looks really good.
I feel that it's the first time I've done this. And I feel that it's, as a first time experimental kind of thing, It was all right. I feel that I could do it better.
Okay.
By getting you to draw. Because honestly, either that or we need to figure out a way to put the paint on a little bit better.
I think the green one works better there.
I think the green one does work better.
I think that does look really good.
Yeah.
The red one is okay, but it loses. It sort of get lost in the red.
I completely agree. But I was like, not. But the green one, I wasn't happy with how the glitter spread. There were so many things I was just not a happy bunny about. And I thought, okay, I really like these molds though. So I'm going to fix this. And if anyone who's ever done resin knows full well that sometimes we make things and they're a bit rubbish and we have to fix them.
Now, you wanted to put decal on both. And I said, no, leave the green one because the green one is really, I really like the green one.
You wouldn't you like the green one. So I didn't do the green one. So I got these decals from Amanda over at Resin Supplies Den. And on the red one, I put the gnome and Merry Christmas. And on the green one, I actually cut up the Merry Christmas. So it says Merry at the top and Christmas at the bottom.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think ultimately they turned out okay. I don't think that they fill my heart with joy or make my eyes sing, but you know, they don't make me go, oh, put them in the bin. You know, they're not going in. They're not abomination box level. No, but they're not. You know, oh, I'm so happy.
Now, where you put that gnome, when you move it around, it looks like the gnome's got wings.
It looks like he's coming out of a flower. I thought.
It looks like he's got fairy wings.
Well, okay.
Let us know what you think.
Yeah. Now, because I've put a UV DTF on them, I would normally top coat them. But at this point, if I'm honest, I felt that to top coat them is a bit of overkill because I'm not a massive fan. So I'll put them, they'll be grandchild fodder.
Yeah. Here you are. Put this on your tree when you go home.
Look what Grandma made you. It's gonna, and if you're watching, you're welcome. But I was just, I don't know, having a little dance, having a little jiggle with them, deciding whether or not I liked them. And there you have it. That's what they ended up looking like.
Yeah.
Not the worst thing I've ever made, but not the best. They're just meh.
I like them.
I know you do, sweetie, but you're just being nice.
I'm not.
You're a nice person.
No, because
sometimes
if I thought they were rubbish, I would tell you.
Yeah, I know you would. You'd be like, I'm not putting that up. But yeah, no, they are. They're okay. But I think the problem is they didn't turn out how I imagined them in my head. That's the problem.
They didn't match, reality didn't match your vision.
Yeah, as is so often the case in my life. And anyway, if you're still with us at this point and you like our creative sort of chaos, please do feel free to hit that like button.
And while you're down there, why not give the subscribe a little tickle as well?
And if you already have,
thank you very much.
And hopefully we will see you in the next one.
Yeah.
Have a great couple of days.
Yep.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.